This is perfect. This is perfect. Look at the boys who won gold in the International Olympiad competition that just happened in Rome. These are the boys, and the welcome party thrown for them at Enugu Airport.
I actually feel good to be finally back because there's no place like home. All my friends, all my classmates, all of them, they came to welcome me, and even faces I've not seen before, so I actually feel welcome.
We are beyond proud. I wish we had another word for that. We are happy.
Could only be God, because that morning I wasn't myself. CEO of Educare Twitter, I was refreshing. My hand was on my phone. After 5, when I got the message, so I was excited. I cried. I couldn't sleep that night.
One of the things we say in Evergreen School is that we are not raising children who are just smart. We are raising children who can stand on global stages, and this is the testament of what we raise. That they are going to be standing on global stage, compete globally confidently.
Chimdi Ebube Onwubiko, the guy who won gold in both maths and sciences, and he's from Evergreen College in Enugu. And this is exactly how we grew up sometimes. Academic excellence deserves this kind of celebration because it is what inoculates or what engraves the spirit to be academically competitive in kids growing up. It makes everybody in the class, in the school to, I want to go to Olympiad. I want to be celebrated like this. And it encourages young ones and young minds, to take their academics and their education serious. And it also shows them that there are rooms for them around the world where they can thrive, so that we wouldn't all be tilting into influencing, social media, this and that and all, so that we can have a knowledgeable base. When we have a knowledge base, then the country can always thrive. So this is a shout out, ha through Golota. You will say you go and you through Golota. So these kids, they went to Rome and they through Nata. And this is a wonderful way of welcoming them. This is how the culture works. And I'm sending a massive shout out to the people of Enugu for this welcome party. God bless.